Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest Amazon purchase. This is the full color digital night vision binoculars from the company My Animal Command. Model number of these is MACNV750. I'm going to show you all the items it comes with, talk about them a little bit, and then I'm going to get them charged up, and I will attach some sample images and videos to the end so you can see what the quality is like. So let's take a look at everything we get. First and foremost, you get your instruction manual. These are really pretty simple. It's a nice color instruction manual, but you'll notice it's not very thick. They're going to be easy to use. Not too complicated. You've got a neck strap. Neck strap can be used either on the binoculars themselves or you can use it on the case that they provide. These binoculars have an internal 5,000 milliampere lithium ion rechargeable battery. It takes a Type-C charging cable, and they give you two of those. You have a Type-C to Type-C cable. They also give you a USB to Type-C cable. Along with that, they give you a USB wall adapter if you're wanting to plug them in. Polishing cloth, and then a nice kind of soft / hard shell case. It moves around a little bit, but it's got some padding in it to protect your binoculars. You've got an area over here for your accessories, and then the binoculars fit nice and snug on this other side. It's a nice zipper case. Well, let's talk about the binoculars. Aside from those items, the other thing they give you that you don't want to miss is the micro SD card. You've got a little flap over here that closes up. The micro SD card should be inside of the binoculars when you get them. They give you a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. If you want larger than that, you can change it out. It will take up to a 128 gigabyte card. And then that's where you're going to plug them in to use them. They are extremely lightweight. At first I thought they didn't have a battery in them, that you had to put it in there, but nope, they come with a battery in them. They're just really lightweight. You've got plastic that's on your lenses when you get it. You'll want to pull that off. You have a 3-inch display lens on this side, and then you have your other lenses on this side, and again, they have plastic coverings on it. So a couple of the features of this, besides being lightweight, the great thing is that you can do full daytime color images or video. You can do up to 4K video, and you can do up to 60 megapixel images. You also have a night color mode that's going to be used for low light conditions. If you've got moonlight, if you've got street lights, you can use that mode. Again, full color. And then you also have a full night vision where you're basically going to be using monochrome. It's going to use a built-in IR illuminator, and it will display a light for you to be able to see in full darkness. Some binoculars that do that daytime and nighttime, you have a lens here that you have to change out. These are extremely easy. You simply have a mode button, and you can use the mode button on the top to change between those 3 different modes that we just talked about. Also have a 6x digital zoom. If you want to change your zoom, you're going to use the buttons here. You have your power button, and then you have an up and down button. That can adjust your IR sensitivity or your illumination, and then you can also change your zoom using those buttons. It's anti-shake, but you also have a threaded mount down on the bottom if you're wanting to use them on a tripod, and then you have your focus wheel here. Really simple, not a whole lot to them. I'm going to get them charged up. Let's see what kind of video and image quality we get. So I'm going to show you, this is me with my cell phone looking out into the darkness. There's a little bit of light. And then this is the same view of what I was just looking at through the night vision binoculars. See total color, my cell phone view, the binoculars view. Alright, so I wanted to give you some daytime video example. Now, I'm not on a tripod, I'm just out here painting. That house you see back there is probably 250 yards away. These do record sound, as you can tell. And then again, you've got your focus wheel if you need to focus in on something. That's an example of daytime video. Alright, so now it's nighttime. I wanted to give an example of what it looks like when you're filming at nighttime. Again, you can see you're getting color video at night. And then I can adjust my infrared if I wanted to. You'll notice this isn't as good because I've got a little bit of light. So you'd want to use this setting, but if you wanted to go to full infrared, you can do that as well. Anyway, I hope it gives you an idea of what the night video looks like. Again, I'm not on a tripod, so it's a little bit shaky. I hope the video helped.